Hey, it's the Siren Collector here, and I'm in Huron Township, I believe, and there's this old GCS Model 5 slash GDC Model 341, and this thing is probably one of the most interesting mounts that I've seen. So yeah. There's the wire conduit. Looks like it goes up into the thing, and so yeah, it has like a little accessory hatch. I find that pretty funny. So over here you can see the ID tag and the accessory panel. There's also the heavy duty safety switch. Looks kind of like mine, but not really at the same time. Also just like a small ladder. This is pretty much all that there is to see though. So yeah, that's basically it for now. I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.